Here are the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to go with a chicken thigh, which we are going to season with salt and pepper. We're going to have garlic in both dishes, the risotto and the chicken Jerusalem. We're going to have butter in the sauce, which is going to go with the Jerusalem. And we're going to dice up some red onions for both the risotto and the chicken. Enhanced by having heavy cream. We're going to make sour cream and some grated Parmesan with that. We're going to make a vegetable base first, and I believe that a vegetable base has more flavor to it than a chicken. We're going to need some olive oil because we're going to be frying the risotto cakes. We're going to need some flour with which to take the sticky risotto and form them into cakes, and we're going to be using both red and white wines.